Hi there, I'm Sara, and this is my husband, John.
Hi.
We're here because we want to start properly saving for all our big things, like a house, the kids' education, our retirement, and, well, we haven't really gotten started yet.
It's funny to say that. I'm 32 and Sarah's 35, and we have 2 kids, but we haven't put together a savings or investing plan, and we're really ad hoc right now.
We have a 5-year-old daughter, Serena, and a 2-year-old son, Harrison. And I'm an anesthesiologist at Sunnybrook Hospital, and John has his own consulting firm.
I work out of our home office, and given the kids are so small and Sarah's work is quite busy, I've scaled back to working part-time over the last few years.
John is responsible for a little investing that we do, and it's a little bit too up and down for my liking.
I've been investing in tech stocks and options. It's the stuff I know. I'm a data analytics consultant, specializing in the retail and consumer sectors.
I know as much about tech stocks investing as I do about data analytics.
Doctors, they don't even try.
You got me there, but you don't seem all that riveted when I talk about advancements in sedation.
Yeah, ironically, talking about that stuff puts me to sleep.
Very funny, John.
Anyway, getting back to investing. I've picked some spectacular winners in the stock market, but as Sara said, I've also had my fair share of losers.
We're not saving nearly enough, and we don't even own a home yet. I don't have to tell you how expensive real estate is. On our salaries, we should be able to own a home by now, but we haven't bit the bullet and forced ourselves to stop spending so much and start saving.
It's something Sara and I talk about a lot. Does it make sense to own a house just to force us to stop spending, or should we just continue as is and develop a savings plan? I mean, we could own a home now. It would just have a really high mortgage on it. We rent a house now in a nice neighborhood, and I can't see us moving into a smaller place or a condo given we've got the kids and we're used to the space in the backyard, not to mention I work out of the home.
It'd be good to know if our spending level is too high. I mean, it must be, considering how much we make. I earned around $365,000 last year. My income has been pretty steady. It's moved up a few percentage points the last year, but it's been at that level since I started working at Sunnybrook. And John's salary, well, it varies year to year.
Last year, working part-time, I made $60,000, but when I worked full-time, I brought in as much as $150,000.
So given our combined income, it surprises me that we haven't saved so much. I look at our friends who own houses and cottages, and I wonder where we're going wrong.
Things just add up. Like, we have a nanny, and Serena's in kindergarten in a private school, and we both own nice cars.
I know, but all of our friends do the same stuff.
Maybe they're in debt, or got money from their parents. Who knows how other people live, Sara?
John and I have had to make our own way. We both had to put ourselves through school. Medical school isn't cheap, and John did an MBA at Western, which is expensive too. We had a lot of school debt to dig ourselves out of, and my dad died over 10 years ago. And, well, my mom's on her own, so they only had me and John to take care of her.
Sara's mom is great. She's over 70 but is really active. She helps us with the kids, babysits for us every Friday night so Sara and I can go out for a date night. The kids love her.
But my mom, she doesn't have a ton of money. She's downsized to a townhouse when my dad died. She's living off her savings and, well, I'm worried about her being on her own. I mean, what if her savings runs out? What if she gets sick and needs nursing care? It'd be up to me and John to support her.
My parents are both alive and well. They live in Winnipeg, or the Peg as they call it.
It's not as a cool nickname as the Six.
Whoever said Winnipeg was as cool as Toronto, that's what makes it cool. They don't even think about being cool in Winnipeg.
Whatever you say, John.
Okay, I think we've given you enough of our background for you to get started.
Just let us know what you need from us and we'll send it along.
Nice meeting you.
Bye.
Bye.